Hello and welcome to Introduction to Christian Worldview. I'm Dr. Doug Wilson, Dean of the School of Christian Studies, and I'm here to give you an overview of the course and of our first module. Welcome to the course. The purpose of this video is to familiarize you with the course. You'll want to make sure to read the main page, including announcements, the instructor welcome, and the tutor.com information. You will also want to become familiar with the introduction page, including the academic integrity policy. Make sure to read through the syllabus, where you will find what textbooks are required and other course requirements. Make sure to take a look at the course handouts page, introducing you to all the handouts for the course. Be sure to look at the coursework page as well, which lists all of the assignments for the whole course. This will prepare you for the course requirement checklist quiz that you will take this week. If you take the quiz and do poorly the first time, you may take it again. There are several purposes for this quiz. The first is to familiarize you with the course materials. Second, you need to be aware of the expectations of your instructor. Third, this quiz shows that you are accountable as a student. And fourth, particularly for our online students, it is the means by which we measure attendance for the first week of the course. 2 items to look for each week. First, make sure to check the main page for weekly announcements, which all of our online students will receive. For those both in seated and online courses, make sure that with each module, beginning with Module 1, that you look at the checklist on the top of the page. There you will have listed a summary of your activities for the week, followed by components including lecture component, which oftentimes includes 1 or more videos, the reading component in which your reading assignment is listed, writing component listed as assignment, or a discussion component, which includes both writing a post and responding with replies in modules 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, and 14. And there's also an exercise component. This is often the reading guide, which goes along with your reading assignment. For Module 1, in addition to taking the course requirement checklist quiz, you will also need to complete the assigned reading and type and submit the reading guide that goes along with it. You must have your textbooks in order to complete reading assignments. So for Module 1, read the introduction and the first 4 chapters of Mark Cosgrove's Foundations of Christian Thought. Pay careful attention to his definitions and descriptions of worldview terminology in order to complete the reading guide. Each of your reading guides is in an MS Word document file. Make sure to type and complete your reading guide. Upload it as a Word document to coursework before 11:55 p.m. on Sunday. This is for all our online sections, whether in the Adult and Graduate Studies program or traditional students. For seated sections, that is in-class sections, you'll need to check with your individual instructor to find out what his requirements are for the reading guide. We have 2 additional reading requirements for this module. The first is from Dr. Cecil Taylor's lecture notes, Part 1. The other is chapters 1 and 10 of Dr. Platt's Counterculture. There are no online reading guide requirements for these reading assignments. In-class instructors may have specialized requirements for these readings though, so make sure to check with your instructor about any additional requirements.